In today's lesson, we'll be building ratio tables. And we did some work with ratio tables earlier this year. Today, we're going to be building ratio tables of the first 30 multiples of a given number. So for example, if I was going to make a ratio table for the multiples of 3, I would have 1 on this side. One group of 3 is 3. Two groups of 3 is 6. Three groups of 3 is 9. 4 groups of 3 is 12. How much would 5 groups of 3 be? That's right, 15. 6 groups of 3 would be 18. And we could keep going on and on. Look at this ratio table. Is there anything you notice? Any patterns that you see? I notice that every time we move up this column, we are adding 3 more. So to get from one to the next, we're adding 3. Over on the left side, I notice that every time we're just adding 1 more. So while this side is going up by 1, this side is going up by 3. I also notice that to get from a number in the left column to the right column, I need to multiply by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 3 is 18. So we're going to use this same pattern as we work on our ratio tables today. If I was making a different ratio table, instead of doing 3s, and I was making a ratio table for 7s, my table would look different. One group of 7 is 7. Two groups of 7 is 14. Three groups of 7 is 21. What would 4 groups of 7 be? That's right, 28. Every time my number is growing by 7. If we were in class, we would be making a ratio table on paper. And we would be going, this was an example of a ratio table of 10s. 1 10 is 10, 2 10s is 20, and so on. 17 10s is 170, 18 is 180, and so on and so on and so on and so on until we got to our end at 30. All right. Today, we're going to be working on a Google slide instead of on paper so that all of our classmates, both in school and at home, can look and see each other's ratio tables. So in our next video, I'll show you what you will be doing to make our ratio table of the first 30 multiples of our assigned number.